snowboarding season. So we are going to take our Tesla Model Y for a road trip from Las Vegas to Big Bear, California for snowboarding this weekend. So I'm going to show you guys how to install snow chains. Let's get started. All right, these are the chains that I got from Amazon from SCC Performance. This is Super Z6. I ended up buying two because the first one I ordered was wrong. That one was the model SZ143. That's according to their charts for particular tire size for Model Y. It's 255 45 R19. According to their charts, I should get SC143, but I tested out. It didn't work. It was too small. I did some research. One of the customers on Amazon said that you should get SZ429. That's what we're gonna try and install right now and try it out, see if it fits. All right, but obviously I'm going to return this SZ143 back to Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we have the two rubber tensioners. We have a couple of gloves. We have the instructions, and we have the SZ429 snow chains right there, and carry-on bag. So I removed the wheel cover so it won't get damaged or won't get scratched. Just make sure this this side is going to be on the tire side. Okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it says there tire side. So just lay it down like this and slide it underneath the car, and then grab it from the other side. Okay, and then grab this end and grab the other end, and then you hook them up just like that. All right, and then the bottom hook this one together, do a little kind of twist to lock him up, just like that, and also on right here. Okay, just kind of pull it, and then hook this together like this, twist it, and then secure and hook them up. Okay, that's it, easy. And then I'll grab a rubber tensioner, kind of line this yellow hooks, kind of like a star shape or something. Hook this yellow hook like that, and then hook the other side, like so. That, and this one just like that. That's it, easy. It looks good. It's a low profile, so I don't think it's gonna damage anything. It looks really snug and tight. So like I said, this is the model SZ429. Do not follow the chart because it's gonna give you the wrong model, and it's not gonna fit on your Tesla Model Y. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.